Hello everyone, I just want to show you this one before it goes out the door. By the way, this is freeprescriptionlenses.com, where everyone loves a bargain and no one is disappointed in quality. I am Seymour Better, but call me Mo. Mo Better, because I may be seeing Mo Better, looking Mo Better, and show everyone else how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses when I show you what's inside. You got the Ray-Ban only does this checkerboard, well, the carbon fiber pattern on this case inside. We'll get to that in a minute, but you even got the checkerboard pattern on the cleaning cloth. But this is the Ray-Ban 8901. This is color 5262. The blue, now it comes in two sizes, the 53 as shown. It also comes in a 55. It comes with a gray front, the gray carbon fiber temples. It comes in a matte black, it comes in a shiny black, black with gray on the inside, black with black on the inside, black with, I forget all the others, and a Havana, which is a tortoise color. But these have the Zeiss Photofusion Green lenses with Duravision Chrome Anti-Glare, and as you will see, this is what they look like clear. Let me go ahead and expose them to a strong burst of ultraviolet light. Now, as you can see, it takes about 30 to 45 seconds for them to turn dark. A little bit longer when you come back inside, 45 seconds to a minute, minute 15. Now, this is important. Everyone pay attention. All photochromic transition lenses will turn dark on day one and continue to darken every day for the first couple weeks they're exposed to the sun. After that, they work for years at maximum performance. Hopefully, you can see that green color. It's almost like the Ray-Ban green of the lenses. I'd say that's a pretty good match. Now they're also and as I keep talking, they're going to get lighter and lighter, but they're temperature sensitive, meaning they will get darker when it's 85 and below than they will when it's 95 and above. But I remind everyone, when it's 100 degrees outside, you're miserable, they're miserable, nobody or nothing works 100% when it's 100 degrees. But as I was saying before I interrupted myself, they will turn dark on day one and continue to darken every day for the first couple weeks they're exposed to the sun. After that, they work for years at maximum performance. The only time they won't work is if you're behind the windshield of a car. Your windshield absorbs the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays that would cause your dashboard to crack from sitting in the sun all day, and that's why they don't turn dark in a car. Now, if you have a convertible or a motorcycle, they will darken. There's also now the extra active gray that will get 30 to 50% dark behind a windshield. Now the Generation 8 lenses from Zeiss have 30 to 50% blue light protection built into the lens already. You have the Zeiss Duravision Chrome Anti-Glare, which reduces glare when driving at night, particularly driving at night in the rain. But from street lights, stoplights, computer screens, overhead fluorescent lights and such. Now I can do any power lens, single vision, line style bifocal, the invisible bifocal. I can do these as prescription sunglasses, polarized with a mirror coating. I can do the Transitions Vantage. They will actually turn polarized gray outside if you want that. And I can do that with or without any of the Zeiss anti-glare coatings. Now this frame sells for $220 at the time of this video. And again, I can do any lens from Zeiss, Essilor, Shamir. I'll have the new website up and running in just a couple weeks for those of you who are watching this now. We'll have all the lens options. But if you have any questions, go to the Contact Me page of the website. You can follow me on Facebook and Instagram as Free Prescription Lenses, on Twitter as Free RX Lenses. You can also leave a question or comment in the comment section below. But thank you very much for the purchase of the Ray-Ban 8901. Size 53, color 5262, the blue with the Zeiss Photofusion Green lens, the Duravision Chrome Anti-Glare, and now hopefully everyone else has gotten a chance to see how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses. Thank you.